Gandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ngayon ng reaction, opinion, itong pinaka-latest post ng Armed Forces of the Philippines sa kanilang official Facebook page. Ito, tungkol ito sa ugong-ugong ng kudita. AFP General Browner, no coup, o kudita, no coup shall happen, not my watch. Yan. Armed Forces of the Philippines Chief of Staff General Romeo S. Browner has reaffirmed the military's unwavering commitment to the Constitution and the chain of command, firmly stating that there will be no coup d'etat under his leadership. Ito ang sabi niya, as long as I serve as Chief of Staff, no coup shall happen, not on my watch. We will not be shaken by rumor nor outmaneuvered by noise, said General Browner in response to the resurfacing of unfounded claims suggesting internal unrest within the AFP. The AFP Chief of Staff likewise underscored the military's professionalism and its ongoing pursuit of reform, accountability, and internal discipline. Ito, dagdag nga pahayag ng Chief of Staff. Sabi niya, let me reassure our countrymen that the AFP remains strong, professional, and firmly loyal to the chain of command. We are a disciplined institution grounded in respect for the Constitution, civilian authority, and the rule of law. I have full confidence in the integrity, patriotism, and professionalism of the men and women of the military. Isolated grievances do not define the AFP. Our collective commitment to service does. General Browner also addressed those who continue to stir discord and disinformation, reminding them of the broader consequences of undermining institutions built to serve and protect the public. To those, ito, dagdag statement ng Chief of Staff, to those who persist in creating instability, I offer this not as a rebuke, but as a reminder. Do not sow doubt among the very ranks that safeguard our democracy. Do not attempt to influence or mislead soldiers who serve quietly, honorably, and with steadfast loyalty to our Constitution and our country. Frustration is not a license to target your protectors. Attacking the armed forces with baseless narratives only threatens to weaken an institution that exists to defend us all. He further called for discernment when approaching sensitive topics concerning public institutions and national security, urging citizens to differentiate genuine concern from baseless speculations. Let us not be adversaries in the same nation we all claim to love. Let us be better stewards of our words, platforms, and influence. Because patriotism is not measured by how loudly we speak, but by how wisely we choose unity over division and nation building over disruption. With these strong words, General Browner reiterated that the armed forces' focus mission, we remain committed to protecting the people, preserving the peace, and defending the nation. He ended. So, yan po. Media release, Armed Forces of the Philippines Public Affairs Office. Dito, wala pang nag-comments dahil okay. So, ito naman ang aking reaction, opinion. Sa tingin ko, malayo. Wala akong nakikitang kudita dahil hindi kailangan yung panawagan ng mga Duterte after na nadala sa Netherlands si PRRD, ang panawagan is kalmado lang tayo. Walang gagawa ng aksyon o whatever na dahilan para mag-declare ng martial law. So, kalmado lang. So, naging kalmado ang lahat. Kaya, hinintay lang ang eleksyon. So, doon sa eleksyon, itong nangyari, yun na yung taong bayan, including the men and women in uniform, bumoto. O yun, pinalabas yung kanilang kagustuhan. At ito siguro, yung resulta ng local absentee voting na kung saan ang mga men and women in uniform ang pinili nilang iboto ay kandidato ng Duterte. Baka ito yung pinagmulan ng speculation na magkakaroon ng kudita, which is not supposed to be. I highly discourage ang kudita. Naranasan ko na po kasi sumama ng kudita noong December of 1989, yung pinakamadugong kudita panahon ng Cory administration. It will not have the AFP, the soldiers have learned their lessons. Kaya malayo. Kaya kung sino man yung nagpapakalat ng balita na may kudita, tumigil na kayo. Yung mga sundalo na bumoto, in-exercise lang nila yung karapatan nila na bumoto. At dahil pinili nila ang opposition candidates, walang nanalo sa alyansa, that's just part of democratic process. Kaya hindi ibig sabihin na ang mga sundalo magkukudita na. Kaya hindi po makakatulong sa bansa ang whatever destabilization mo. I fully agree dito sa statement ng Chief of Staff na ang sundalo karon remains professional, committed to upholding the Constitution. So, hindi ito mangyari. Walang kudita. Okay, salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang sweldo natin sa channel na ito is pantulong sa nangangailangang tribo. Namimigay tayo ngayon ng mga yero at pako para ma-repair ang sira-sirang bahay ng mga Talandig or makapagpatayo ng bagong bahay.